shadow. Let me see the ball. Look at that. Drop the ball. Good boy. I'm going to demonstrate you the best way to practice your putting. You're going to need not a putting, but hitting a golf ball. I don't know what you call it. I'm not a golfer, but I got a good dog. So if you get a dog to practice golfing, oh, chip shot. There's the cat down there on the brick. Oh, I missed. Man, I only have one ball. I don't know what I'm going to do. Special delivery. Hey, what you got for me? What you got? You have that ball? You have that ball? You have it. Is it mine? You have it. Thank you. Okay, you ready? You want the ball? One. Cat's gone. I'm going to hit it. Ready? Get it. My target is that brick, hollow bricks, whatever you want to call it. You're back already? I didn't even get to take a comment to the camera. Oh, Shadow? I couldn't even give a comment to the camera. Are you ready? I'm going to hit it one more time, then I'm going to go stop. This is the last hit, because I can do this all day. Y'all get bored of this video. But this is the coolest dog if you're golfing. He's for sale. $2.6 million. Alright, back up. Ready? Oh, get it! One more real fast. Put it up. Got it. Give me the ball. Give me the ball. Thank you. Ready? Last one. Ooh, almost hit the cat. That's the way to end the video. Thank you for watching.